Hello guys, namaste and greeting from Thank you. Hello guys, namaste and greeting from Sushi and Santosh. Do you know the meaning of sushi? The su means the vinegar and si means the rice. That means the real meaning of sushi is the vinegary rice. All can be sushi if it contains the rice. It doesn't matter. It can be a fish or it can be a meat or it can be a vegetable. So if you want to make a perfect sushi, you have to make perfect sushi rice. And also, if you want to make perfect sushi rice as a restaurant quality sushi rice, you have to know how to make sushi rice vinegar. So today I'm gonna make the video about how to make perfect sushi rice in your at home. First of all, in this video I'll show you how to cook sushi rice in a rice cooker. I have the rice cooker here, and in second I'll try to teach you how to make perfect sushi rice vinegar for the seasoning it. One of my viewers, GT, is asking how to make sushi rice vinegar. Can you make video for me? City Baker is also asking me how to make sushi rice vinegar. Okay, this video is for you guys. And thank you so much for your time, guys. You guys are giving me lots of support and lots of energy to make new contents. Let's go. For sushi, we can use the short grain to medium grain sushi rice, but the best option is the short grain sushi rice because it's contain enough starch to make it sticky and enhance to the textures. Also, it has more fiber, calcium and the vitamin. Okay, I have here the 1 kg sushi rice. You can see here. It's almost 1 kg, just 2 gram less. Yes, 999, 1 gram less. Okay, so 1 kg rice. First of all I'm gonna wash it, and then after I'll show you how to cook in a rice cooker. Okay, let's go. Okay, I have here the big container. I'm gonna put here my rice, and now I'm gonna wash it and we have to wash this sushi rice till it becomes the very clean water. Okay, let's see. And also you can do like this. No. I will continue this washing process till 4-5 times. Then after the water will be very clean and the rice will be ready to cook. You can see here the clean water. Now my rice is ready. Now I will take out all the water from the rice. I already washed my rice. I have here the equal quantity of rice. That means I'm using the 1 kg rice and 1000 ml cold water. Now I have your rice cooker. It's a slow cooking rice cooker. We don't have the pot here. I was thinking pot was here. So I'm gonna put the rice here. Then after I'll put the water and we'll start to cook. Now I'm gonna put the water here. We can use the same quantity of water, same as like the rice. That means I use the 1 kg rice and I'm gonna use the 100 ml water. If you want to cook 500 gram sushi rice, you can use 500 ml water, but in a rice cooker. But if you making in a pot, it can be a different. Let's go to cook sushi rice. Okay, I started to cook the sushi rice in a rice cooker. Now I'm gonna make the sushi rice vinegar. That is the most important, because to make the perfect sushi rice you need to know how to make perfect sushi rice vinegar. Let's go. To make the sushi rice vinegar, I have here the rice vinegar. I have here the sake. That is the sake. I have, that is the unseasoned rice vinegar. Okay, I'm using that kinds of sushi rice vinegar, unseasoned sushi rice vinegar. But if you don't find that one, so you can use any kinds of rice vinegar, okay? But it should be a unseasoned. And I have here the sugar. That is the white sugar. Also you can use the brown sugar as well. And that is the kosher salt. Now I'm gonna tell the recipe. We can tell also sushi rice sauce. For 1 kg uncooked sushi rice, I'm gonna use the 300 ml rice vinegar, (160g) white sugar. Okay, I use already, here is the 300 ml rice vinegar, 160g white sugar. Okay, okay, now I'm gonna use the, that is the kosher salt. I'm gonna use the 40g kosher salt. Okay, okay, now I'm gonna use the 20 ml sake. Okay, let's see. I use the 20 ml sake. That means I already have in here in container 300 ml rice vinegar, 160g white sugar, 40g kosher salt, and 20 ml sake. If you want to make a little bit more umami flavor, you can use the dashi kombu. If you don't have the dashi kombu, you can use also hondashi. Now I can mix it very well. Also we can make it a little bit warm. Putting in the heat, the sugar and salt will melt very well and properly. Yes, finally my sushi rice sauce, sushi rice vinegar is ready to use it. I'm cooking the rice here in the rice cooker. I already made the sushi rice vinegar. You can buy that kinds of seasoning sushi rice vinegar in the market. If you buy ready-made seasoning sushi rice vinegar, you can use 1/3 of the uncooked sushi rice. That means, for example, I'm cooking here the 1 kg sushi rice. You can use 330 ml rice vinegar. Now finally my rice is ready. You can find the rice is cooked or still cooking. You can put your hand here, because the rice cooker will give the wind pressure. If you cannot feel any heat here, the rice is cooked. Let's see. Yeah, yes, nice. Now I'm gonna take out these ones. I'm gonna put in the pot. Okay, yes, that is the perfect. I waited nearly 25 minutes to 35 minutes. It's depend on the quantity. If you cook the more rice, it will take a little bit more times. But you can find the its rice is cooked or uncooked. You can find by putting your hands in the pressure hole. Okay. Yes, I'm taking this burning part. I'm taking out. I already make the rice vinegar. You already see. I put the recipe on my skins also. Now I'm gonna season it. Okay, I'll put rice vinegar here. Now I'm gonna mix it. Mix very well and give the love and respect to the rice, because that is the sushi, and all the sushi quality depends on the 60 to 70% on your rice. That's why make the rice very carefully, very love and with passions. Okay, Mix till all the rice become very shiny. You can see here very shiny, so that means we can say easily the rice vinegar is capturing all the rice. And wait till it becomes cold. Every 5 minutes you can mix very well, but don't mix too much, otherwise the rice will be very sticky. After seasoning all of the rice, you can do like this, so the rice will become cool very fast. But I don't have the pot, so I am using the book. I'm sorry for that. And wait till it become cool. Then after we can use for the any kinds of sushi rolls, any kinds of sushi, nigiri and gunkans. After becoming it's cool, we can use 4 hours in a room temperature. If you want to do freezes, it can work 2-3 days. Don't worry about it, but I suggest always use within 4 hours after making it's cool. And finally, my sushi rice is here. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please share with your sushi lovers, friends and family. Thank you. Have a good day.